Shots on the field, the end of the game, number 36. The Blues game number 36. Presented by PNC Bank. And it's time to announce tonight's 3 stars of the game, presented by PNC Bank. The third star of the game from the Carolina Hurricanes with a goal and 2 assists, number 24, Seth Jordan. The second star of the game from the Carolina Hurricanes with 35 saves and goal, number 31, Roderick Henderson. And the first star of the game from the Carolina Hurricanes with 2 goals and an assist, number 37, Valley Sports Side reporter, handing in to tonight's first star of the game, number 37, Andrei Svechnikov.
This team comes out now riding a 4-game win streak. What made this win possible?
Yeah, I think the guys for last weekend. Gives us more confidence in the
3.9 here for you tonight. What do you credit that success to?
Yeah, it's been a while for me at least for a few games here, and I just love playing home, and you guys helped me, and playing efficient Galway, they made it a great place to me, and I just have to put them in there.
This crowd was chanting your name throughout the third period to get you back on the ice so close to that hat trick. What does their support mean to you?
Yeah, it's huge, guys. Thank you so much.